Hey friends, this is David Pasqualone with Ascend, and today we're going to show you how to take your YouTube channel and make another YouTube channel. So what you do is from YouTube, when you're logged in, drop down and hit switch account, and then from here hit view all channels. Once you hit view all channels, hit create a channel. Add a channel name. We're going to start one for our podcast, a Remarkable People podcast. Fantastic podcast. As of right now, we're aired in over 105 countries and 2,400 cities, and we have the privilege of working with remarkable guests who inspire and promote just how we can grow, and not only do that in a way that benefits them, but they break it down in practical steps so you can grow too. So once we do this, we hit create, and once we hit create, the system will kind of walk us through the steps of making a new channel, and boom, there it is. That is how simple it is in 1 minute or less. Ciao.